Hey guys, what is up? It is LC coming at you with another video. Today, I know I look a mess and I know I am in a different environment. I had a pretty crappy day today. Honestly, I was just sick all day. I was in a lot of pain all day. And now, finally, I feel better and I wanted to do something to make myself feel better as well. So I thought, why not try to take out this blue in my hair. I am doing it in a DIY type of way and we're gonna see if it works. Before I dyed my hair, I did not do much research. It was very impulsive and I just did it. It's done, whatever. But then I learned real quick that blues and greens are actually some of the hardest colors to get out, let alone the fact that most colorful hair is pretty hard to get out, but blue is difficult. I am planning on just going back to my usual blonde, which I've had for years. I've done my hair blonde for years and years. So I'm just gonna go back to that for now and figure out what my next adventure is with my hair. I've got lots of roots going on because I wanted to let my hair fade as much as possible before I went in and did anything else to it. I really don't want to damage my hair any more than it already is from dyeing it. Before we go on, let me tell you exactly what I am doing. So I have Head & Shoulders, well actually the generic brand of Head & Shoulders and vitamin C tablets. I'm mixing these two together, putting it on my hair, and then that should do it, right? Right? Yeah. I've seen that, especially for blue hair, this is probably the best way to get it out, or at least start getting it out. I did let it fade as much as possible. Like I said before, you can see all my blonde coming through, you can see all my roots, so I'm really hoping that this will get most of it out. The first thing I want to do is change out of this shirt, it's one of my favorites, and change into a shirt that I don't really care about. So let's do that. There we go. Alright. So I set you up in a different position so you could see what I'm going to do. Like I said, there's not any real measurements or anything for this, so we're just going for it, okay? Let's just go. So I'm gonna just put some of my clarifying or Head & Shoulders shampoo. I'm just gonna put some of that in there. The vitamin C tablets I used are just regular vitamin C tablets. I guess they have a little bit of rose hips in it, but that didn't really make a difference. And they are 500 milligrams each, which I know some people said to get the 1,000 milligram, but I couldn't find them. So I used 97 tablets because I didn't want to have not enough and then have to go grind up more, so hopefully we've got plenty. So you also want to make sure that you get it as finely milled as possible, and I've heard that that just helps make it absorb better, obviously. I went ahead and rounded up some of the powder that I had a little bit more. I just want to make sure that this will soak into my hair as good as it can. I don't even have that much hair to have to do, so I'm really thinking that this might be enough. I'm really just excited to do this and see if it works. So I got my gloves on and let's do this. I heard from two different videos that you either just put this on and let it sit, or you like get it wet or something after it's all in your hair. I really don't know, like, what the heck. Definitely very stiff. Like, once you put it in your hair does not really want to move. So I can understand why somebody says to put water. Okay, so I used up pretty much everything I have in here, so I'm just gonna make some more really quick and keep going with this. I want to try to get out as much as possible, so I made some more. Alright, so I used up everything that was in here. I used up all my vitamin C tablets that I crushed, and now I'm going to let it sit. I feel like in some areas I do see a difference, but then I look and I'm like, no, I don't see any difference at all. So we'll see. I think what I might try to do is let this sit for a while and then do what I watched in some video where she took a little bit of water and then like massaged it in, rubbed it all in, all that stuff, and we'll be back. I might have to check in tomorrow with the finished results just because it is pretty late and I did feel pretty bad all day, so I do want to get some sleep and just relax, but I wanted to do this and see how it came out. Okay guys, I'm back. It is the next day and it is well into the next day. I just what? I mean, you guys saw me do it last night. I can see lots of blonde definitely has come back through on the parts that were more faded. I mean, you can see lots more blonde down here, but up here, it almost looks like nothing happened. Just look at how blue it still is. I know that blues and greens are really difficult to get out of hair. I did not know that beforehand. I was really impulsive with it, but I absolutely loved the blue. I'm not at all saying that I wish I hadn't done it. I absolutely love it, but I'm ready for a change. I mean, you can see how much blue is still in there. It just does not want to come out. I'm just ready for a new start to the new year. I want to go back to my basic blonde and then go from there. I might do some little streaks and stuff like that, but I'm definitely done with the blue. I loved it. I enjoyed it while I had it. I let it grow out as much as possible. I mean, you can see all my roots. The vitamin C and clarifying shampoo mixture, I can say that it did work. I've got more blonde coming through, my natural blonde, and that's great. So did it work? Yes, but did it really do what I wanted it to do? No. I think if you want to try this mixture, it's definitely worth a try. My hair is not damaged at all. It's still nice and silky. But like I said last night, I do take pride in my hair and I like to take really good care of it. Even though I do lots of stuff to it, I try my best to keep it as healthy as possible. So it did stay nice after that treatment, but that is also just from years of making sure I keep it really healthy and really nice. I also did use, after washing it out and everything, I used Bumble and Bumble Save the Day Hair Repair Fluid. I had a sample of it and I actually really like it. I feel like it made my hair nice and soft and everything. I might go and buy some because it actually made my hair feel really, really good. And I do like that the bottom parts are more blonde, but like I said, that's where it was more faded anyways. So it just didn't do what I really wanted it to do. So, you know, it's your choice. If you want to do it, I think it would definitely work on different colors. Like I've read online is that blues are just more difficult. So good luck. If you have blue hair and you're trying to get it out, good luck. I think that this is definitely worth a try. As long as you have some hair oils or anything like that to put on afterwards, you should be fine. I just wanted to try it out and show you guys my experience with it. And my experience is that it's not gonna work that great. It looks like I'm gonna have to try something else, which, by the way, I went to Ulta because I had to pick up some more makeup stuff and, you know, the typical. And I actually found this. This is the L'Oreal Colorista Remover, and it's supposed to remove semi-permanent hair dye, which is what colorful hair is. It's a semi-permanent dye. Now, this box does say that it is strictly for the Colorista colors, but you know, your girl doesn't care. I'm gonna try it anyways. If you wanna see me try it out, you let me know in the comments down below. I'm just trying to find out other ways to do it so I can just get back to my blonde, and I'm really hoping that this will do it, and if it does, I'll let you know. I can either just keep you updated on Snapchat, or if you would like a whole video on this, let me know as soon as you can so that I film it. Which, by the way, if you don't, you should follow me on all my other social media so you can keep up to date on what's going on with this channel and with me. Those will all be linked down in the description, and I'll put them somewhere here. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And until next time, stay flawless, guys.